Before buying a manicure set, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many options look appealing, but the real difference lies in the quality of tools and versatility. Let's dig into the best options for at-home nail care.
Product number 1, Causeless C40 Nail Drill. The Causeless C40 electric nail drill, priced at just $9.48. What caught my eye was its multifunctionality. If you want a reliable tool for acrylic, gel, or dip powder nails, this is worth a serious look. The Causeless C40 features adjustable speeds and comes with 6 different drill bits, making it easy to tackle not just nails, but also cuticles and thick skin. This means you can customize your nail care based on what you need at the moment. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, so you can easily bring it wherever you go. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this drill is designed to be user-friendly and effective, which is critical for achieving salon-quality results at home. In just the past month, over 30,000 of these have been bought, showing it's quite popular for a reason. Now, I did come across some complaints about the noise level. Some users found it a bit louder than expected. Here's the thing though, while it might not be whisper quiet, the performance is excellent, making it a small price to pay for effective results. This is perfect for you if you're serious about nail art at home. Skip this one if you prefer traditional manual tools or can't stand any noise during your pampering session. For under $10, it's a solid investment for any nail lover. Now, if the noise from the Causeless bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Manicure Manicure Set. The Manicure Professional Manicure Set, priced at $9.98. What drew me in was its impressive 26-piece collection. If you want a complete kit for all your nail and personal care needs, this is worth a serious look. This set includes everything from nail clippers to tools for facial care and even foot care, which means you can tackle a variety of grooming tasks without needing multiple kits. The stainless steel tools are durable and sharp, which is key for effective trimming and shaping. Plus, the luxurious travel case makes it easy to keep everything organized, which is perfect if you're someone who travels or likes to keep things tidy. With over 10,000 sold in the last month, it's clearly catching attention. Some users mentioned that certain tools felt a bit small for their hands. Honestly, while that's valid, the compact design makes it easier to maneuver, especially for detailed work. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one solution for nail and personal care. Skip this one if you only need basic nail tools or prefer larger implements. For under $10, this set offers amazing value for the variety it includes. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a complete cuticle care routine.
Product number 3, Morgul's Nail File Kit. The Morgul's Nail File and Buffer Blocks Kit, what caught my attention here is the inclusion of milk and honey cuticle oil. If you want to pamper your cuticles while maintaining your nails, this is worth a serious look. This kit provides a complete cuticle care set, featuring a variety of files, buffers, and the nourishing oil that helps reduce brittleness and breakage. It's great for moisturizing during those dry winter months or providing protective care in summer. The quality of the emery boards means they're sturdy and effective, and it's nice to have a range of tools for different tasks all in one pack. With nearly 9,000 purchases in the past month, it's clearly a popular choice among nail enthusiasts. However, some reviews mentioned that the cuticle nipper was a bit dull. I'll be real with you, while that's disappointing, it's easy enough to replace, and the other tools in the kit still make it a worthwhile purchase. This is perfect for you if you love doing your nails and want to ensure your cuticles are just as cared for. Skip this one if you're looking for something more comprehensive for full nail art. For less than $9, it's a solid buy for basic nail care needs. Now, if you want something more focused on foot care, then you'll want to check out the next product.
Product number 4, EcoCO Pedicure Kit. The EcoCO 36-in-1 Pedicure Kit is next, and it's priced at just $7.64. I was impressed by the sheer number of tools included. If you want a kit that can cover every aspect of foot care, this is worth a serious look. With 36 different pieces, this kit includes everything from foot rasps to cuticle pushers and nail clippers. This means you can tackle calluses, dry skin, and nail maintenance all with one set. The ergonomic design of the tools makes them easy to hold and operate, whether you're at home or on the go. Plus, it comes in a handy storage box, which is a great touch for organization. Given that over 8,000 of these have sold recently, it's clear that people are finding it useful. Some users mentioned that the materials could feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though, while a few tools might not feel as sturdy, the variety offered makes this a fantastic deal for those looking for comprehensive foot care. This is perfect for you if you often deal with foot care needs and want an all-in-one solution. Skip this one if you're only looking for nail tools and not foot care. For under $8, you get an incredible amount of value. All right, that brings us to our final product, which focuses on the power of an electric nail drill.
Product number 5, Tuobeo cordless nail drill, priced at $15.18. What stood out for me is its battery life and versatility. If you want a reliable electric nail drill for home use, this is worth a serious look. This kit promises 1.5 hours to charge with up to 7 hours of use, thanks to its 650 milliamp battery. That means you can enjoy several manicure sessions without needing to plug it in constantly. It comes with 11 bits and 56 sanding bands, so it caters to all your nail needs, whether it's polishing or removing gel nails. The adjustable speed ranges up to 20,000 RPM, which allows you to customize your experience based on what you're working on. With around 8,000 bought recently, it's clearly gaining traction. Some users did find the instructions a bit lacking. Honestly, that's a minor setback. Once you get the hang of it, the performance really shines. This is perfect for you if you want a professional-level electric drill at home. Skip this one if you prefer traditional manual tools or are on a tight budget. For just over $15, it's a great investment for serious nail enthusiasts.
We've covered the costless C40 nail drill for versatility, the Manicure manicure set for an all-in-one solution, the Morgless nail file kit for cuticle care, the EcoCO pedicure kit for comprehensive foot tools, and the Tuobeo cordless nail drill for electric efficiency. Each has its strengths, so your choice really depends on your specific needs. Happy pampering!